Good morning and welcome to Birmingham. And I'm here with our new UKISUG chair, Conor Radon.
I'm really excited to be here and see so many familiar faces last night in the exhibition hall and this morning in the auditorium.
Well, I think there's a huge amount of value in coming to the Connect event every year. We've been coming for many, many years.
It's brilliant to see the success, and this year's been the biggest number of people coming ever.
I think it's a great place, number one, to hear stories from other organisations who are facing similar challenges to yourself. I think once you establish a network as well, it's really good to catch up with people, understand their journeys, where they're going, what they're doing. And of course, I would say there's a huge number of excellent partners here as well who can lend some of their knowledge and expertise.
Let's talk about why AI stands for accelerating innovation.
And it's a great opportunity for us to learn what's happening in SAP, sort of the future tech landscape, but also chat with the businesses that use SAP.
What is SAP strategy from a UK&I perspective?
We've had really high engagement on our stand. We do come every year. We have been coming for a long time. It's the community. It's the whole point of it, right? It's our customers. It's our partners. It's our whole ecosystem.
The Tech Ed stand was really good today. We got some specific questions we wanted answering. We got them answered by some colleagues from SAP, so that was really good.
The sessions have been really good at showing us what's coming down the pipeline for us, because we're starting our migration process over to SAP 4.
So 12 months on, we're going to share with you what we've achieved and most importantly what we've learned.
But we started design early to make sure we could try and hit the deadlines that we set ourselves.
So it's nice to see what is the future looks like for us and get excited about it. We've had some struggles with migration in the past, so now getting the gist of what people are excited about, what people are doing.
You get to meet so many people. It's the networking. You know, like I said, being part of the community, you get to meet people, learn from other customers. Obviously meeting the other partners as well. All of the breakout sessions are so informative, really makes you think.
It is a really well organised event. I can see the changes they make each year to improve it. It is a great space to meet people, collaborate, share ideas. Everybody here is in the same boat, so you can bring your ideas to them, ask a few questions, and take back that information to make the most of this new network.
UKISUG, this event brought many vibrant SAP community professionals, given great opportunity to share insights, knowledge, and also learning and networking.
This sort of event is really useful for us because we can come and talk to partners, we can talk to people, we can talk to businesses, and just generally get the sort of lowdown on what that journey looks like, what the pitfalls are.
What's the best thing about your job? And invariably the answer is the people.
Even people you think are not going to have anything to say to you that is of interest will surprise you with just their experiences, and yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, SUGFest is always good fun. You know, the food's fantastic, the drink's fantastic, the entertainment's fantastic.
Whilst the daytime is full of knowledge, the evening is really good because everyone can relax in a different environment and have a chat, share knowledge, and there's a good comedy store, there's some games going on, a bit of dancing, bar, and so on, so it's great fun.
SUGFest is always a highlight of the event. I think every year they find something new and different to add into the mix, and this year's been no different. It was a great success and we had a lot of fun, and we'll definitely be back next year.
It's just amazing how they just transformed the hall. It's a good theme this year. I saw a lot more people relax this year, and it was great.